Good day viewers, today we're having the following interesting problem. If x plus y is equal to 1 all over root 2, what is the maximum value of x times y? Wow, this problem is so interesting to the fact that we don't know the value of x and y yet. Because to solve for the value of x and y here, we all know that this is a Diophantine equation. Okay, let's see how we're going to do this. I'll be using the calculus method to do this, okay? So we have here x plus y is equal to 1 all over root 2. So here I'm going to solve for y here in terms of x. So I have here y is equal to 1 all over root 2 minus x. Okay, keep following. Now we have x times y is equal to x, open bracket, the value of y here. So 1 all over root 2 minus x. And opening this bracket, so here we get x all over root 2 minus x raised by 2. So I'm going to call this a function of x. So f of x is equal to x all over square root of 2 minus x raised by 2. Okay, so to get the maximum value of this expression here gives us the maximum value of x times y. Okay, so if you look at this, you can see that this is just a quadratic equation with a constant 0. Okay, so now here if you look at the coefficient of the leading coefficient here is -1, which is less than 0. So this means that this expression here has a maximum value. Okay, now let's see how we're going to do this. So let us differentiate. So here we have f prime of x is equal to, here we have 1 all over root 2 minus, to differentiate this, we get 2x. So we're going to equate this to 0. Since we know that at turning point, the dy dx equals 0. So equating this f prime of x equals 0. So we actually get 1 all over root 2 minus 2x is equal to 0. So solving, we have 2x is equal to 1 all over root 2. Now dividing both sides by the coefficient of x. So here we get x is equal to 1 all over 2 root 2. Okay, now this actually means that the function f of x equals x all over root 2 minus x squared has its maximum value at this point, 1 all over 2 root 2. Okay, now let us see what we're going to get. So here we have f of 1 all over 2 root 2 is equal to, here 1 over 2 root 2 divided by root 2 minus, 1 over 2 root 2 squared. So here, here we have this equal to 1 all over, 2 root 2 times root 2. So that is 2 times 2, and that is 4 minus, here expanding this 1 all over 2 root 2 times 2 root 2, and that is equal to 1 all over 8. And subtracting this fraction, we get 1 all over 8. And that's the maximum value of x times y. So we say that the maximum value of x times y is equal to 1 all over 8. Thank you for viewing, and please make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel for more exciting videos.